Your brain is for thinking, not for remembering, and that's why you need this system. Juggling a million tasks? I get it. Today I'm sharing with you my digital to-do list, a simple but powerful system that helps me organize my days, weeks, and months so that I can actually get things done without the chaos. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. I'm going to be showing you how to use your digital to-do list. My name is DupeRAleru. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So first things first is you want to make a copy of your to-do list. So you're going to do this by clicking on File, make a copy, renaming it, and saving it to your drive. So I love the to-do list. It's very seamless and easy to use. I used to write everything on my phone in the notes section, even on Post-it notes, and I had notes everywhere. So I created this to-do list so everything can be in one place. First things first is you're going to go ahead and look at all the days of the week. So Monday through Sunday, you can go ahead and notate anything that you need to do for that particular day, and you can check it off as you go. So I just have one example here, walk dog on Monday. And you're going to do the same thing for each of these days of the week. Now, the great thing is it gives you an overview of your weekly to-do list, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, as well as annually. So I really love this because it gives you an overview breakdown. Let's say weekly, you have yoga on Mondays and Thursdays. That's something that you want to do. Anything that you have bi-weekly, you can add here if it's week 1 and 3, or you can change this to week 2 and 4. Anything monthly, you can add here. So let's say you have monthly things that you need to do. You can check off if it's January, February, March, April, May, June, all the way through December. And then you're going to see here that anything that you do quarterly, let's say you have an oil change that you do every quarter, you do it Q1 and Q4, you want to make sure that you place that there as a reminder. Anything that you do semi-annually and anything that you do annually. So maybe every January, something you need to do. Maybe every February, there's something that you need to do. Every December. So you want to make sure that you place those there, like Christmas shopping, for instance. So here is an easy way to keep track of everything that you want to do for your personal life or even for your business life. So all you need to do is make copies when you want to do it for another week, because these are weekly, or you can just delete them, which is very easy. Once you're kind of complete with them, you kind of delete, and then you leave everything for maybe the annual, quarterlies, and months. That is all. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Until next time, I will hopefully see you in the next video, and be sure to check out my Stand store for additional products to help you streamline your business productivity as well as your workflow. If this tracker is exactly what you need, I've linked it in the description so that you can grab it and start using it today. And if you are now building systems for your business, go ahead and watch the full Google Sheets trackers for entrepreneurs playlist. There is a tracker for every part of your business. I'll see you in the next one.